take time to appreciate this. Like, this is my view. This is my office. Why I choose to do Uber? I'm gonna show you some clips of some of the country rides that I take sometimes when I go pick up customers. And I'll tell you, I mean, I hear you. I hear the shit talking and everything, and I don't even know what to say. But when I show you these views of what my office is outside, man, it's dope. It's dope. So it's, for me, it's stuff like this and the money. So I'll show you. Drive in nature.